show you how to put together one of these beautiful three-dimensional tags, and I have to say they are so easy. So what I've done is I've cut out 2 of that first die. Okay, I've then come in and I've cut my tree design into that first one, and you've got all the concertina elements going down the side. So you're literally going to concertina all those little segments, so just follow the score lines all the way down there, so one on top of the other, so you're forming that box side, that concertina side on there. I love how these nest together. I love how each and every one will intermingle, which, let's face it, is good for us crafters. So let's open that out and let's come in with some high tack. We're just going to put some high tack down that glue tab, down this side as well, and then down that side. So because this tape is a little bit wider than my actual design, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in and I'm just going to cut away the excess. Now if you've got really fine high tack, absolutely brilliant, but I don't have any at hand, so I'm literally just chopping away that excess. So that on that one, just take all that off my scissors, and then let's come down that side as well. So nearly there. Right, so that's ready to go. But of course we can either fold that up as it is now and stick it on the front of our card. So looking at this design set, we can bring it in and have it stuck on the front of that matin layer to make a beautiful large design. But I want to make this into a little tag box. So this is where the second one comes into play, because all you're going to do with the second one is you're going to cut off those little score lines. So then what you're going to end up with is a panel that is exactly the same size to fit on the back. So let's take all those off. Now that is going to stick onto there. So we've got a pocket, but I want it to be a look through scene. So I've taken my lovely daddy stag. He's beautiful, he's absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick him onto this back panel. Okay, so let's just add some adhesive onto there, like I say. Now don't forget, you've got about half a centimetre at the bottom that you're not going to see for this little element here. So come up about half a centimetre, okay, and stick him in. Now if you've got any points there that have not got adhesive on, like I have, I'm just going to put some glue on a spreader, and I'm just going to come in and just stick those down. Okay, so now that is going to go into the back of this. So I always work one side at a time, because otherwise I get into a real sticky mess. So let's place that one onto there. Let's fold the bottom in, so concertina it and bring that bottom in. Come on, Mr. Tape, stop sticking to my fingers. There we go. And then down this side as well. So that is just going to stick in there. Make sure the top is level before you stick it all down, like so. So now we've got the little stag in there. I've cut my separate little tag with Mummy Dear in, and when we place that into there, can you see how that is going to give you that 3-dimensional pocket? Isn't that beautiful? I think it's absolutely stunning, and how beautiful that would be on maybe Christmas cards, as a gift tag in its own right, but even more so when it's placed in the backgrounds like that one there. absolutely beautiful. So you could have it in any size of these panels, whether you're doing the large ones or even if you're doing the little baby ones, you can place them in there. They really are beautiful little die sets. See you later.